Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying about the electricity. The 20 most important question. My first question is the SI unit of the electric current is option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. Correct answer will be ampere. The correct SI unit of the electric current is ampere. Now we see question number 2. The flow of the electric charge is called. The flow of electric charge is called option A voltage, option B resistance, option C electric current, option D power. The correct answer will be electric current. Now question number third. Which device is used to measure the electric current? Option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option C galvanometer, option D thermometer. The correct answer will be B. A meter is the device which used to measure the electric current. Now question number 4. The unit of the electric potential difference is option A ampere, option B ohm, option C volt, option D coulomb. The correct answer will be volt. Question number 5. Ohm's law gives the relation between option A current and charge, voltage and power, voltage, current and resistance, power and resistance. Correct answer will be C. Ohm's law gives the relation between voltage, current and resistance. Now question number 6. The formula of the Ohm's law is option A V is equal to IR, I is equal to VR, R is equal to VI, P is equal to VI. Correct answer will be V is equal to IR. Now question number 7. The SI unit of the resistance is option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. Correct answer will be ohm. The SI unit of the resistance is ohm. Question number 8. Which material is good conductor of the electricity? Option A rubber, option B plastic, option C copper, option D glass. The correct answer will be copper is the material which is good conductor of the electricity. Now question number 9. Resistance of the conductor depends on option A length, area of cross section, option C material, option D all of these. The correct answer will be D. It means resistance depends on length, area of cross section, material. So correct answer will be all of these. Question number 9. When resistance are connected in series, the total resistance is option A less than smallest resistance, equal to one resistance, greater than any individual resistance, 0. The correct answer will be greater than any individual resistance. Question number 11. When resistance are connected in parallel, the total resistance is option A greater than largest resistance, equal to smallest resistance, less than the smallest resistance, or D infinitive. Correct answer will be C. Less than the smallest resistance. Question number 12. The commercial unit of the electric energy is option A joule, option B watt, option C kilowatt hour, option D ampere. Correct answer will be kilowatt hour. 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. Now question number 30. Electric power is measured by option A volt, option B ampere, option C ohm, option D watt. Correct answer will be watt. Question number 40. The formula of the electric power is option A P is equal to VI, P is equal to IR, P is equal to V बटे R, P is equal to I पर R. Correct answer will be A. P is equal to V into I. Now, question number 15. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to option A 1000 जूल, 3600 जूल, 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule, 3.6 into 10 power 3 joule. Correct answer will be C. 3.6 into 10 power 6 joule. Question number 16. A fuse is used to increase current, decrease voltage, protect electric appliances, store the electricity. Correct answer is protect electric appliances. So option C is correct. Question number 13. The heating effect of the electric current is discovered by option A Newton, option B ohms, option C joule, option D Faraday. Correct answer will be C. Discovered by Joule. Question number 18. Which wire has more resistance? Option A thick wire, short wire, thin wire, copper wire. Correct answer will be thin wire. Question number 19. The resistance of an ideal ammeter is the resistance of an ideal ammeter is very high. Option B very low. Option C 0. Option D infinitive. Correct answer will be very low. Question number 20. Electric current flows from option A negative to positive to negative terminal, both direction, no direction. Correct answer will be B positive to negative terminal. So that is the last question. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.